Hello, I'm Seema. In the question, select the option that is best representing the theme of the paragraph. To the answer, option number 1 is incorrect as it is irrelevant and has not been mentioned in the passage. Option number 2 is also inappropriate as it presents only one aspect of the conference which is less significant. Option number 4 is also not correct as it also addresses two unimportant aspects of the conference. That brings out option number 3 as the correct option because it only represents best the theme, which is that the meet is not only an effort to make the Indian language authors feel at home in the world in view of their grappling with media invisibility and the slights of Indo-Anglian authors, but also and mainly is more of a conciliatory handshake, a sort of realization that most Indian Anglian writing is essentially a translation of bhasha or language, idioms and thought pattern. So, option number 3 is our correct choice. Answer, option 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. In the question, select the option that best represents the theme of the paragraph. Option number 1 and 3 are incorrect as they only describe that how does the constitution describes the country as a secular state and what does the constitution say in respect of the word secular. 1 and 3. Option number 4 is also irrelevant because it has not been suggested by the passage. So, we have option number 2 as our best option of the 4 as it represents fully the theme of the passage, which is that the word secular has been mentioned in the constitution only once. Choice is option 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. In the question, select the option that best represents the theme of the paragraph. Question. Now for the answer, option number 1 is incorrect as it is too general a statement to reflect the theme of the passage. Option number 2 is also incorrect as it is irrelevant and has not been mentioned in the passage. Option number 4 is inappropriate as it describes only one aspect of the theme. So we have option 3 as the best option. As it represents best the theme of the passage, we have the answer as option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. In the given question, identify the incorrect sentence or sentences. Now for the solution, have a look here at option number C. It reads, I wish he were my teacher last year as well. When the subject is expressing a desire or a wish, the follow-up has to be in the past perfect tense. So here, were has to be replaced with had been. The correct sentence would be, I wish he had been my teacher last year as well. So, this is our incorrect sentence. Hence the answer. The answer is option 2. Hope this is clear to you. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Identify the incorrect sentence or sentences. Now, come to the answer. In all the options, only B is the correct sentence, which reads, you have already begun to heed your daydreams. Let's see how rest of them are incorrect. Option number A reads, you can follow the exact same process to analyze your own daydreams. Exact and same convey the same meaning, so there's no need to put to. You can also say you can follow the same process, eliminating exact, to analyze your own daydreams. The correct sentence would be, you can follow the same process. No need to put exact here. Now option number C, from time to time choose one of these daydreams. Since here is the number 1, you have to put here it and put it into words. For option D, even better, write it down on your daydreams diary. You write in diary, not on diary. So here the correct sentence would be, even better, write it down in your daydreams diary. So A, C and D are incorrect. Option number 2 becomes our right choice. Answer is option number 2. Hope you understood the explanations. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.